Good morning children. So we are doing the decimals now. In that today we are going to be discuss about the kilograms and meters and next liters and rupees. How to write this all in the decimal form. Okay, there is some little formulas are there for this to convert into the decimal forms. So that we will discuss along with the formulas. Overall 4 sections are there children, 4 different topics. One is converting the kilograms and grams into the decimal form. Second one, expressing the given liters into milliliters into the liters, and the next one using the decimals and expressing the meters, and next last topic is about the rupees. Okay, so here for the kilograms and for the liters, see 1 kg is equal to how many grams children? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Like that only 1 liter is equal to 1000 grams. Now 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. Okay, this you have to remember. Now based on this only we will do the sums of textbook page number 76. So everyone open your maths notebooks, and the first sum is using the decimals express the following as kilograms and grams. So here the first one I am going to explain you. First one 8 kgs 75 grams. Okay, 8 kgs 75 grams. So what you have to write means here 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000. Okay, so now 8 kgs already it is there. 8 kgs plus 75 grams by 1000. Okay, this 75 grams, whatever grams, in grams place whatever the number is there, that number by 1000 you have to write. Okay, in grams place the number is 75. If in grams place 200 is there, or in the grams place 350, or in the grams place 125 grams, like that is there, means that numbers 350, 125, whatever the numbers are there in the grams, that you have to write as a numerator and the denominator will be 1000. Okay, so now how to write in the decimal form? 8 kgs plus, simple technique I am going to tell you children, listen carefully, last 2 zeros. Okay, last 2 zeros are related to the 2 digits of the numbers. Got it? Last 2 digits. Here how many numbers will be in the numerator, that many digits from the last onwards you have to fill in the zeros. For example, here 2 numbers are there, 7 and 5, 2 digits are there. So from the ones place, in this last 2 digits you have to write 75. If one more 0 is left over. So what you have to write means 5, 7, 0 is left over now, 0 after point. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 3 digits are there. So 1, 2, 3, 3 digits after have to put the decimal and 0. So it will be how to write this in the grams means 8 point, in whole numbers place you have to write 8, and in the grams place you have to write 075 grams. 8 kgs 075 grams. Okay, one more sum I will explain you, then you will be understand very easily. Copy it neatly children, this one. Next B1 13 kgs 5 grams. B 13 kgs 5 grams. Okay, so same 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000. Okay, it means now 13 kgs plus what is the number is in the grams children? 5 now. So write 5 in the numerator place and down 1000 have to write. Okay, so now 13 kgs as it is, right, plus, now how many digits are there? One digit only is there. So it means in this zeros place this 5 you have to write. Okay, this 5 will becomes under this zeros place. It means 5. Next 2 zeros are there now. Write 0, 0. And as it is in the 1000 place, what you have to do? You have to write the, after 3 digits you have to put the decimal. So 1, 2, 3, put the decimal and 0. Now while you are writing, what you have to write? 13 kgs, 0.005 grams. Okay, 13 kgs, 0.005 grams. Next, D. C1 you can do easily, children. Next, D. 1750 grams. So 1 gram is equal to 1/1000. So here 1750 divided by 1000. So last 3 digits. Next have to put the dot. So 0, 5, 7. What the number is left over? 1 is left over, isn't it? 0, 5, 7. Last 1 is left over now. So write 1.750. It means 1 kg is 750 grams. Simple, children. Last 3 digits. As it is in the thousands place, last 3 digits we have to put comes under the, have to write under the grams place, and more than 3 digits whatever the number is there, that will be comes under the kgs place. Okay, next. Here in E sum only 35 grams are there. E sum number E 35 grams. Same, 1 gram is equal to 1/1000. So 35 grams is equal to, what you have to write? 35/1000. Okay, so here last 2 digits. What you have to write? 5, 3 and 0 left over now. Write 0. 0.0 grams. 0.035 grams. Okay, so remaining F you have to do in this manner only. Next, G. Here one more thing you have to write, children. Kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, so now G. 17 kilometers, 375 meters. Same. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 1/1000. Okay, so now 17 kilometers plus 35/1000. So here 35 will be comes under the last 2 digits, because 3 and 5 2 digits are there now. So in the last 2 zeros you have to write the 35. It means 17 kilometers plus 530 point. Then you can write 17.035 meters. Oh, sorry, here 375. 375 75. So the answer will be 17.375. Okay, next. J. J. 2250 meters. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000. So 2250 by 1000. Last 3 digits, last 3 digits. Leaving last 3 digits, you have to put the decimal. So write the answer 052.2 meters. 2.250 meters. Okay, remaining sums of section 1 you have to do like this only, converting into the meters, converting into the grams. Next, Roman number 2, section 2. Here all the liters and milliliters are there. That how to convert into the liters and milliliters into the decimals, that we'll discuss now. So now everyone, section 2. In section 2, the first one will be 7 liters 25 milliliters. 7 liters 25 milliliters. So right now 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000. Okay, it now 7 liters plus 25 by 1000 is equal to 7 liters plus these 2 digits now, last 2 digits. In last 2 zeros you have to write the 25 and this 0 after how to put the 0 before you have to put the decimal. So 520.0 and the answer will be 7.025 milliliters. Next, remaining all like that only. D, 32 milliliters. In this second section only 32 milliliters. One milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000. 32 by 1000 is equal to 2. How many digits are there, children, here? 1 and 2 digits are there. So in the last 2 zeros, place you have to write 32. Okay, I am writing now 2 in 0 place and next 0 place 3 and one more 0 is left over now. I am writing 0 and 0.0 ml. Why I wrote 3 digits after decimal, 3 digits before decimal? Because here in the thousands place 3 zeros are there. Okay, next. Now coming to the Roman number 3. Now this is different. Up to now we did 1 by 1000, isn't it? 1 by 1000 grams, 1 by 1000 milliliters. Now it is related to the hundreds. Be careful. The Roman number 3. Roman number 3, we have to convert the meters into centimeters. So write down the first one will be the 7 meters 25 centimeters. 7 meters 25 centimeters. So write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100. Got it? Now 7 meters plus 25 by 100. Okay, now last 2 digits, the last 2 numbers will be and 2 digits before you have to put the decimal. So 7 meters plus 0.25 and the sum will be 7.25 centimeters. 7.25 centimeters. Next. 23 centimeters. See. 23 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100. 23 centimeters is equal to 23 by 100. So how much will be getting? 0.23 centimeters. So simple technique children, from the last ones place onwards, if it is centimeters and pies, last 2 digits leave it and put the dot. Okay, that will be comes under the decimal converting. And next, if it is grams and kilograms or liters or milliliters or about the kilometers, in those place, in that time, leave last 3 digits and put the decimal. Next, Roman number 4. Converting the rupees into decimals. First one, 7 rupees and 25 pies. Rupees 7 and 25 pies. Okay, 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. 1 pies is equal to, what have I tried children? Yes, 1 by 100. Okay, now rupees 7 plus 25 by 100. Rupees 7 plus last 2 digits now. To 25 before how to put the decimal and 0. So it means 7.25 pies. 7.25 pies. Next, C. 735 pies. 735 pies. So write down 1 pies is equal to 1 by 100. 735 is equal to 735 by 100. Simple children. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So write the same number 735. 2 zeros now from ones place. Last 2 digits leave it and put the dot. 7.35 pies. Okay, like that, convert this all into rupees, convert the centimeters and convert the kilograms and kilometers and convert the liters into the decimal form. Okay, this table is very important and the procedure I told you, in that way if you will do the sums, you will be getting the correct answer. So by this we completed our 9th chapter and in the next class we will continue the next one.